Hey there, folks. If you've ever misplaced your social security card and panicked about getting a quick replacement, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the question: can I get my replacement social security card the same day if I apply in person in 2025? Let's break this down step by step so you can understand your options clearly. First off, the Social Security Administration, SSA, handles these requests, and while applying in person might seem like the fastest route, it's not always a same-day guarantee. In 2025, the SSA continues to prioritize security and verification, which means processing times can vary. Generally, when you visit a local SSA office, you'll need to fill out Form SS5 and provide original documents like your birth certificate, ID, and proof of citizenship or immigration status. Now, about that same-day card. Unfortunately, most offices don't issue a new card on the spot. You'll typically get a receipt confirming your application, and the actual card might take 7 to 14 business days to arrive by mail. However, in some urgent cases, like if you're dealing with employment issues, the office might provide a temporary proof of your social security number. This isn't the same as the card itself, but it can help in a pinch. One key factor is location. Urban SSA offices might process things quicker due to higher staffing, while rural ones could take longer. Also, with potential updates in 2025, it's wise to check the official SSA website or call ahead to confirm any changes to policies or wait times. To increase your chances of a smoother experience, make sure your documents are in order before you go. Arrive early to beat the crowds, and be prepared for possible interviews to verify your identity. Remember, the SSA is there to help, but patience is key. In summary, while applying in person is a proactive step, don't count on walking out with your new card that day. Always verify the latest info on ssa.gov. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and stay informed.